So guys, meron tayo dalawang Black Shark dito sa aking table and it's the Black Shark 5 series. And one of them is the non-pro version and one of them is the pro version. And shoutout nga pala kay Black Shark for the effort to make two different boxes para ma-differentiate natin ang pro and ang non-pro. Today, open natin si non-pro version. Tara, buksan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So since today we're going to open the Black Shark 5, I'll put away the Pro version. Don't forget to check it out and I'll be also reviewing the 5 Pro version. So right now, quick unboxing muna tayo.
Feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your.
So guys, eto na ang Black Shark 5. So apparently, the design is a glossy back. Unlike the Pro version which sports a non-glossy back, this one, for me, okay naman kanyang design. Well, the back is exactly the same as its Pro variant, except for yung kanyang finish is not the same. Camera bump is exactly the same. Pasyalin ko lang kayo quickly dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim meron siya loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, ang kanyang SIM tray which can support 2 nano SIM na 5G. On the side, we have your physical shoulder triggers. Pag pinap-up mo, makita mo, aangat siya on itself, and pag pindot mo, it's very satisfying. And of course, nandiyan na kanyang power button / fingerprint scanner on the sides. Sa taas ang kanyang noise cancelling mic and another speaker which makes 2 speakers on this phone. On the other side, microphone in and of course, your volume rocker. Sa likod ng kanyang 64MP main shooter na triple camera lens. Kita natin mayroon mga prints ito designed by Black Shark. And of course, ang Black Shark na print is malaki dito sa ilalim. And of course, nandito ang Black Shark logo. Later pa nag-gaming, iilaw tong LED light na ito. And by the way guys, itong phone na ito, having the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage, nabili ko to sa Shandy Masangkay for 34,999. Links on the description below. So itong phone nito apparently is a little bit weaker compared to its Pro variant. This one having the Snapdragon 870, which is of course the same as the Black Shark 4 before. And having said na pareho lang siya sa Black Shark 4 ang kanyang processor, tingnan muna natin ang kanyang score sa Antutu, 716,000 points, which is almost the same din sa Black Shark 4. Not much improvement there on this category. But of course, what I can say is the design has already bumped up. Medyo ginawa nila hawig kay 5 Pro. And of course, there are some of the things that you might consider para pag-isipan nyo kung Pro or non-Pro since there's still 9,000 pesos difference between the two of them. Now, ito nga pala ang score when you break it down. Benchmark from Wildlife, medyo mataas naman siya. Good for gaming. Ito ang score niya sa Geekbench. Way better ang score ni Black Shark 5 Pro. One thing na nag-improve dito over the Black Shark 4 is yung kanyang battery size. Before, it used to be 4,500. This time around, binump up din ng konti, 4,650. And it has 120 watts of fast charging. Grabe guys, ang bilis ng charging na in just roughly 20 minutes. Tapos niya mag-charge ng phone na ito. It's really fast. Apparently, ito ang kanyang score sa battery stress test sa PC Mark and it got a 8 hours and 35 minutes of screen on time. So, checking it out, using it on a daily basis, okay naman siya. Nakapagtagal naman siya. Roughly, kulang-kulang a day. And of course, that's based on normal usage. But kung medyo heavy gaming ka, roughly less than half a day, simot na yung battery. Now, one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanyang refresh rate is that it has a 144 Hz of screen refresh rate. But unlike the Pro version, which can let you switch between the 3 of them, or you can do it automatically na sarili siya mag-step up and step down depending sa your needs. Ito, hindi. All you can do is just either set it to 144, 90 Hz, or 60 Hz. Now, itong phone na ito is running on Android 12 and of course together with JoyUI 30, which is quite a knockoff of the Xiaomi MIUI 13. Now, alam na natin na si Black Shark is binay off na ni Tencent. But having still the knockoff of Xiaomi UI here in this one, I'm not quite sure. Probably si Xiaomi may stick pa rin dito sa company na ito. Who knows? Multitasking on this phone is definitely a breeze. Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 is definitely a performer. Gustong-gusto ko siya, no? Kahit hindi siya Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, okay, mabilis naman siya. And of course, browsing on my favorite social media like Facebook, Twitter, and of course, si TikTok and Instagram, okay, smooth na smooth dahil sa kanya 144Hz of screen refresh rate. Even though na hindi siya nag-auto-calibrate, well, I always put it to the ultimate sa 144Hz. Dahil itong phone na ito ay may level 1 na wideband security level, you can watch all of your favorite HD sa Netflix and of course on some of your favorite na online streaming apps. Watching some videos on YouTube, I can see na okay, ganda ka na display dahil meron siyang AMOLED na display and 6.67 inch ang kanyang display here together with 1,300 nits na max brightness which gives me the enjoyment to probably watch some videos even under the sunlight. Now, I know na itong glass is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. I'm not quite sure kung anong grade nga ba meron nito. And ang back niya is glass and ang gilid niya is metal frames. So, kita natin right now, umiilaw na kanyang LED light. This one can be calibrated inside the Shark Space mode. Going inside the Shark Space mode, ganito ang itsura niya. So, pagpasok mo, makita mo, you can check all of the games that you have installed here. So, para di akin is these games na naka-install. So, you can freely choose it kung ano gusto mo patakbuhin. And for me, I was able to play a couple of games here. Call of Duty Mobile and of course, Asphalt 9. Now, calibrating the shoulder triggers is of course very enjoyable. It gives me that satisfying feeling when playing games. Parang it takes me back to the days na naglalaro ko ng PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2 na may L1R1, L2R2, it's really satisfying. Iba kasi may napipindot kang button na parang sinesend na sa mind mo na, uy, may napipindot na button. It should be firing really accurately. Unlike na parang wala kang button na pinipindot. Ay, that's like, you're parang hindi ka sure kung napindot mo o hindi. Yun probably ang ang enjoyment when you have shoulder triggers na physical. Now, the gameplay, I can say it's nice. Well, probably not as nice as the Pro version since this is just a Snapdragon 870. The graphic settings is ito ang mga makikita mo and definitely the gameplay is okay. Probably not the best na in-expect ko out of this device and that's probably there's a reason bakit my Pro variant. The gameplay, I was able to enjoy breeze through for roughly 2 hours and definitely it was fun and the screen was quite responsive. Though this phone is quite a little bit hotter as compared to the Pro variant, roughly nasa 43 degrees Celsius, the Pro variant nasa around 41 to 42 when playing around, well, nearly 2 hours on max settings. One thing that I like dito is quite punchy ang kanyang colors and definitely it gives you the enjoyment playing the game dito sa phone na ito. Quit the Shark Space, hawakan mo lang exit button at aalis na siya. Now, meron siya ditong virtual na assistant which is si Shark Chan and actually siya ang official mascot ng Black Shark. No? So, you can calibrate some of these things here. So, you can calibrate yung mga action niya. You can change your wallpaper. You can even change some of the sounds ng virtual assistant mo. And one thing that I like is pwede mo pa siyang kilitiin, di ba? At baka magalit nga lang. Pero mas cute siya pag tumatawa siya. Now, itong phone na ito having a triple camera setup sa likod which starts off with the 64MP na main camera sensor with an aperture of 1.8, 13MP ang kanyang ultra-wide lens and 2MP ang kanyang macro lens. And of course, sa harap, it's a step down from last year's 20MP this time around, it's just 16MP. So, ang rear camera natin can shoot up to 4K 60fps and front camera natin can shoot up to 1080p 30fps. And here are some of the modes na pwede mong kalikutin. And apparently, I took this phone out for a spin and I was able to try to take in some photos outdoors, indoors, low light, and of course, bright outdoors. Bright outdoors, well, definitely out of the question. Wala naman siyang problema. Okay naman siya. Not quite as sharp as the one sa Pro variant nito. But it gets the job done. But not as punchy though. And of course, going indoors, I can see na the performance of this camera medyo iwan siya as compared sa ng Pro variant. the Pro variant was able to take in some really nice shot, to my surprise, for a gaming phone. For me, parang average camera lang siya. Nothing wow to begin with. And indoors, I can say na so-so. There are times na pag low light, medyo nahihirapan siya. And there are times na pag binigyan mo ng konting ilaw indoors, well, nakapag-perform naman siya kahit papaano. And taking some selfie shots, there are times na okay, nakapag-perform siya. And there are times na pag medyo dumidilim, medyo talagang dumidilim nga talagang scene. Hindi siya katulad ng Pro variant ng phone na ito, which can automatically brighten yung kanyang surrounding. This one, well, stays the same. Dark pa rin. Overall, ang kanyang feel is quite good. I love the feel of this phone, and definitely it's really a phone for gamers. But if you're a more extreme gamer, I would suggest that you go for the Pro variant. Now, this phone, like I said, the 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage is being priced at $34,999. And I'll be posting the link on the description below kung saan na pwede mabili. And I got mine from Shandy Masangkay. Although phone na ito, for me, it's okay. But of course, everything on the Pro variant is a lot better, a big step up. But of course, you pay the price. You need to add roughly 9,000 pesos just to get the Pro variant. But kung okay na sa'yo ito, I think, well, for me, for a casual gamer and not super duper heavy gaming, okay na okay ito. You get the perks of having a shoulder trigger, plus okay na kanyang processor, plus yung gaming experience is quite good. Not as good as the Pro variant, but it gets the job done. Yung nga lang kanyang camera performance is nowhere near ang kanyang Pro variant. Now guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin yung bell icon para hindi na ma-miss ang mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And of course, don't forget to watch the review of my Black Shark 5 Pro, link up there. And with that said and done, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!